The touring world just changed, again. In 2025, Honda has redefined luxury and long-distance comfort with the all-new Honda Gold Wing GCT, a machine engineered not just to travel across continents, but to do so in style, power, and unmatched smoothness. For decades, the Gold Wing has been the gold standard in touring motorcycles, and now with the GCT edition, Honda is pushing the boundaries even further. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the 2025 Honda Gold Wing GCT a true evolution of the iconic line. Design and aesthetics, where elegance meets function. One glance at the 2025 Gold Wing GCT and it's clear this is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Honda has retained the bold, muscular stance of the previous generation, but with more aggressive front-end styling and a slimmer, aerodynamically enhanced profile. The GCT features refined LED lighting, a redesigned fairing for better wind deflection, and new color options that scream sophistication. Honda has also worked on reducing visual bulk without compromising presence. The result is a sleeker, more athletic Gold Wing that looks just as comfortable pulling up at a 5-star hotel as it does crossing a mountain pass. Engine and performance, smooth power, refined ride. At the heart of the GCT lies Honda's legendary 1,833 cubic centimeters horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine, now tuned for smoother throttle response and slightly improved fuel efficiency. The 2025 model keeps the engine largely unchanged mechanically, but software refinements in the throttle mapping and ride modes make a noticeable difference. The GCT, short for Gold Wing Comfort Touring, is all about enhancing the rider's experience. With a revised DCT transmission, shifts are now faster and smarter, adapting seamlessly to throttle input and terrain. Whether you're cruising through a canyon or overtaking on a freeway, the power delivery is always composed and confident. Technology and features, touring meets innovation. Honda has packed the GCT with an impressive suite of advanced technologies. The 2025 model introduces the latest version of Honda's infotainment system, featuring a larger 10-inch touchscreen display with improved responsiveness and expanded smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are still standard, but now with wireless connectivity. The Gold Wing GCT also debuts a new adaptive cruise control system using radar and camera-based sensors. It not only maintains distance from vehicles ahead but also handles stop-and-go traffic more intelligently than ever. Add in blind spot monitoring, lane change assist, and real-time GPS traffic updates, and you're looking at one of the smartest motorcycles on the road today. And yes, the luxurious audio system has been further refined, delivering rich, high-fidelity sound through upgraded speakers and better cabin acoustics, even at highway speeds. Comfort and ergonomics, long rides just got easier. Touring comfort has always been a Gold Wing trademark, but the GCT takes it to a new level. Honda's engineers have reshaped the seats using memory foam and a new anti-pressure design that significantly reduces fatigue on long rides. Both rider and passenger benefit from adjustable heated seating, now with 3 separate temperature zones for more personalized comfort. Wind protection has also been improved. The electronically adjustable windscreen now has better range, and new side deflectors help direct airflow away from the rider's torso and legs. Even the footrests and grips have been redesigned for superior vibration damping. For storage, the GCT offers over 60 liters of trunk and saddlebag capacity combined, with smart key access and hands-free opening on the top box. There's also a USB-C charging port in each compartment, making gadget charging on the go a breeze. Handling and ride quality, big doesn't mean bulky. Despite its size, the 2025 Gold Wing GCT handles like a bike half its weight. Thanks to the innovative double wishbone front suspension and a recalibrated rear shock, the ride is buttery smooth even over rough pavement. Cornering remains surprisingly agile, and with a lower center of gravity, the bike feels stable and confidence-inspiring at all speeds. Selectable ride modes, including Tour, Sport, Econ, and Rain, adjust the suspension, throttle, and traction settings in real time, giving riders the perfect setup for any condition. Combined with linked ABS and Honda's excellent traction control system, the GCT remains firmly planted regardless of what the road throws at you. Fuel economy and range, built for the long haul. The 2025 GCT offers slightly better fuel efficiency than its predecessor, thanks to updated ECU programming and transmission logic. Riders can now expect an average of around 42 to 44 miles per gallon, depending on load and ride style. With a 5-gallon fuel tank, that gives the GCT a real-world touring range of over 230 miles, more than enough for most legs of any long journey. Fuel stops are also made easier with a new angled fuel filler design that speeds up refueling and reduces spillage. It's a small touch, but one that seasoned tourers will appreciate. Price and final thoughts: is it worth it? With all its upgrades, comfort features, and premium tech, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing GCT doesn't come cheap. Pricing starts at around $29,999, depending on configuration and options. But when you consider the level of engineering, luxury, and reliability you're getting, it's easy to see why the GCT is considered the benchmark in its class. For serious long-distance riders, or anyone looking to invest in the pinnacle of two-wheeled touring, the 2025 Gold Wing GCT offers an unparalleled package. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a long-distance luxury cruiser that happens to run on two wheels. Ride further, ride smarter. The Honda Gold